Okay. Seatbelts are on. We're ready to go. Alright, we're looking outside. I'm looking about the distance of that airplane in front of us. Nice and relaxed. Pick up nice and easily.
Look both ways before crossing the street.
Yep.
Where you want to go?
Right away here, we leave the airport. We're over the FAU campus. Here we go. Yep, just nice, relax, breathe, look outside. Easy. Okay, so you have the cycler. Alright, you ready for it?
I don't know what I'm gonna
Alright, then just all you have to do is hold it steady. I'm right here with you. I'm not gonna let anything happen. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay? So there you have it. Just push a little bit forward pressure on it. There you go. There you go. You're doing fine. Doing great. Okay? So there's all you. All you. Okay, this is Lighthouse Point. You can see the intercoastal has all these little canals. This house on the corner is pretty interesting. A nice colorful patio. See? You thought you couldn't fly a helicopter. Look at this. Just keep that pressure. Real nice. Okay, just below us here you can see the reef. It's real clear today. Right, nice bright sunny. It's got a nice red color to it. You can see the channel cut in the reef. That's the Hillsborough Inlet. The Hillsborough Lighthouse just on the point there. Okay, this is the Hillsborough Mile, or Millionaire Mile as they call it. Real nice mansions here. Yep. Told you careful about that.
I stuck my arm out.
That house under construction, that's Adam Sandler's house.
That one?
So I've been told. They were turning right, just a little bit of left pressure. There you go. Straighten us right back out. That's all it takes. A little bit more left, we'll go a little bit closer to the beach. Just like that. Deerfield Fish and Pier sticking out in the water in front of us. Alright, when we come over this white building with the green windows here, what we're going to do is just a little half so we climb as we turn. This has private rooftop swimming pools on the roof. But on the right here, this is Boca Raton Inlet, also referred to as the mouth of the rat. This leads right into Lake Boca Raton, which is that square body of water on the intercoastal there. On the left here, this big pink tower with the pink buildings underneath it. This is all the Boca Raton golf course, or Boca Raton Resort, and it has the golf course as part of it. Just below us here with the palm trees, this is Meisner Park. Real nice shopping complex. And here we are. Did everybody enjoy it?
Yeah.
That was 6380 Fox Shop O'Garney.
Good.